Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a percent total for a column here. So let's say we have all the sales data, we have our total, but we want to know what percentage of that total each individual person might have sold in a given region, or whatever your metrics might be. One thing you can do is you can just go ahead and do equals, divide your sales number divided by the total. That's going to give you a percentage. But that's not what we want to do. That's not very efficient. We have to go through and do that all. You can do some conditional formatting. That works fine. However, what we're going to go ahead and do today is we're going to go ahead and we're just going to select all of our sales data here. And you'll see that there's going to be a little box that's going to pop up in the bottom right corner. So we'll click on that. And then we're going to go to totals. Then you're going to click all the way to the right. And we want percent total. So if we click on that, it's going to give us this percent, each individual percent of the total. So it makes it nice and easy. And let's say we need to change some numbers. Let's say, we're going to go to really reduce it. We're going to go ahead. Everything's dynamic. And so as you make any changes, it's just going to automatically update, which is great. Makes things nice and easy. This is something you can do for many different applications, but let me know if you have any questions below. And remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.